Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rafi Lansingwani. I am a student of Rehan School Kurangi campus. I am reading class 7. My class name is the Future Navigator. Today I make a very amazing TED talk about greenery, amazing video about greenery. Topic name is let nature flourish, and today a tree to plant a tree today. This videos mean if you are one planted the plant a tree, plant is a plant is a flourish, and today is grow today is extra plant, grow the extra plant, and your nature nature beauty is very amazing, and Pakistan is greenery. Pakistan is separated the greenery, and Pakistan is very beautiful, and Pakistan is out front. This videos means please grow the if you are today if you are grow the plant, if you have the one extra plant, so please you don't out the don't out of the I grow the plant today, so I will not grow the extra plant. So please, if you are grow the plant today, so tomorrow you grow the extra plant. So your Pakistan is very beautiful. Your Pakistan is very beautiful nature. So this is my video. I hope that you enjoyed my video and some understand my video and some learn my video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.